Welcome to Best Bet Trades. You're probably here because you're interested in getting into the trading group and day trading with us, or maybe you're somebody who's trying out our 10-day trial to see if you're going to like trading with us and trying out those indicators, or maybe you've been a part of the group and you're in here and you're new to the group and you want to figure out how to navigate the Discord and see what products we have to offer here. So in this video, just going to be a simple explanation of how our Discord works. Get this question all the time. Some people aren't very familiar with Discord. It's always changing, updating. So I wanted to give everybody kind of that current update here on you know what's going on here and how this works. So we'll start at the beginning and go through, guys. Some of these tabs are kind of irrelevant. You have the disclaimer here, which is just going to tell you, that Best Bet Trades isn't held responsible for, you know, losses or anything like that. You're going to have your welcome tab here, just kind of an intro. Um, you know, shows us what our BBT alerts do, stock chat, profit and loss, SpyBot. Then you're going to get, like a join here tab, product. Obviously, Best Bet Trades has a merch line that's continuously being built right now. So, that stuff's all going to be here in the welcome indicator. Now we're going to start getting into the cool parts of the Discord here. So, you're going to get in here to the Best Bet Trades indicators, guys, and that's kind of the bread and butter to the group. Rather you're trying out the 10-day free trial, or you're in here as a full-time member after the 10-day trial, you're going to be able to come in here and get these indicators sent to you guys. Now, we use TradingView here, so in order to get these indicators, you have to have TradingView. You can have the cheaper version of TradingView, which I believe is, I think it's under $10 a month. Not really sure the price. Obviously, that can change, but TradingView is awesome. Absolutely love it, and you'll see that's what we use, and it's better for everybody to kind of be on the same page with their charting, because obviously if you've used multiple different charts, you can see that things can get kind of confusing, especially if you have questions. It's just better to all be on the same page. So this is going to be all your information here. You can go up. It'll kind of show you what the indicators are, because obviously when you get these sent to you in the invite only script, we have videos on how to add those to your TradingView. It's really easy, guys, but this is just going to kind of be a page here telling you what our indicators do. And again, we'll have more how-to videos in the YouTube section, the how-to section on how to use each and every individual indicator. So if you guys want to, you can go over and watch those videos. So this is going to be just all the links to our YouTube updates if you're on the group, because we do, our daily recaps and things like that. So if you're part of the group and you maybe just weren't on YouTube that day, that's going to just notify you and, help you know that we're posting content. Right here, strategies. This is where everyone can kind of post in strategies, talk about certain things. Again, some of these tabs aren't really used as much because we do have the stocks chat channel down below, where that's where a lot of people are doing their talking and stuff. Now, guys, funded traders. So we have this tab. This is kind of a newer tab here. This is going to put in all the deals that funded trader has going. It's going to be an area where we can talk about things in the funded trader. We try to keep everything separated, rather it be options, futures trading, things like that. So that way there are people who are part of the Discord channel can, decide what they want to see, and they're not just being bombarded with, a bunch of stuff at one time. So again, people are just now starting to kind of get, people have been in futures, but we're starting to get a lot more people that are more interested in futures over options, just because of, the benefits that they bring. Still have a ton of people in here that trade options, but, you get the tax breaks with futures and a lot of benefits to futures. A lot of people work a 9 to 5 and, don't have the capability to trade options during the day. So futures are a great side to trade with, at night and things like that, when you're, not only available because you work, but maybe, because you want to take advantage of that tax break and things like that. So obviously we have the merch line. still a work in progress, guys. You know, where this will be added on to, and then we'll have hoodies and things like that. Referral codes, guys. So, really cool thing here, guys. When you join the Discord, every single person has the capability to make money with the Discord. So, after the 10-day free trial, and you have to begin paying, I like to tell people super cool with the referrals because you can get a custom link, share it, and you're gonna get 40% of the monthly fee sent to you every month for using your referral code. So a lot of these other groups, guys, they're only paying 10%. I've seen them as high as 20% of a monthly fee, but we're paying 40%. So there's a pretty big incentive to share this and have someone sign up with your referral code, guys, because you're gonna get that 40% for the rest of your life. So it's a pretty cool thing that they do. I think it's awesome. Gives you kind of the capability to have the Discord paid for, and you also get the benefit of having a little income stream off of the Discord. So pretty cool thing. Not everybody's interested in it, but you can see, a few people have used it, and those people definitely are bringing in revenue. So just a cool little thing people don't know about with this group. So right here, guys, this is also building in progress. Obviously, the YouTube's changing, and we're going to be offering a lot more how-tos. So this is going to be kind of an area where you can come in here, learn how to trade options in Webull, or how to set up options trading. So this will be like for the application questions. And as I show how to use each and every indicator that you get custom when you join this group, you're going to be able to get all that right here, guys. We want to make it as robust as possible with the Discord. I want everybody to be able to come in here and get all the information they need, so they don't have to jump around to 10 different platforms, right? So getting into the gritty, guys, the text channels here. So you're going to get BBT alerts, and obviously I got to go down. But this is where, in the morning, nighttime for scalp opportunities, price targets, you're going to get, certain price targets, call triggers, put triggers every single day, which is awesome. We can do more than just obviously Tesla and Amazon. This is just kind of the popular stocks for the ones that are trading options right now. But there's a certain stock you want the call trigger and price put triggers for. We can definitely do that, guys. We just try to benefit everybody. So if there's obviously if you're trading options, there might be multiple stocks that you look at in a day. So if there's a certain stock you want to call triggers and put triggers for, definitely let us know, and we'll do that for you guys. Like I said, right now, a lot of the options traders that are in here, they like to trade Tesla and Amazon. Obviously other stocks too, but these are the big ones. But again, thousands of stocks listed, guys, with options. So we can definitely work something out if there's other price targets you want. Right here, you're going to get the profit and loss tab. Some people have been posting in stocks chats. That's why you don't see a bunch in here. We need to get better with posting them in the correct spot. I myself am guilty of that, but we'll get that going. So right here is where you're going to go through. This is just, for people to post their wins and losses. And the cool thing about the group, guys, especially for new traders that are coming in, if you're somebody who had a big loss or whatever, every new trader is going to have a red day. It's really nice with this group because we can kind of sit down, do a one-on-one, and we'll talk about, why your trade was a bad entry and things like that. So, we can bring a lot of value. And this is a really important tab here because, if you post a red day, which I entice you to do so, because again, the overall intentions of this group is to train you, to teach you how to do this yourself. So if you just post green days and don't tell anybody you're red, it's very difficult for us to train you. So again, you can personal message us too if you don't want, the entire group to see it. But again, that's the benefit of this group, is getting those one-on-ones. We can kind of talk about this together and go through why that was a bad setup. So hopefully you don't do it again. Okay. Right here is going to be the big group. Obviously, guys, at the time making this video, it's Saturday. So It is a Saturday, so we're not, there's not a lot of activity. People are enjoying their weekend, so usually this chat's booming. Um, Not only during the day but also at night, because there's a lot of people who trade futures and options here. But trading's kind of an addiction, so this chat's usually moving, you know, pretty good all day. And the nice thing is, everybody can talk in this chat. Okay, it's not limited to certain people, right? Everybody that joins, even for the 10-day free trial, everybody can ask questions, talk in here. This is just a general chat, talking about certain stocks, debating certain stocks, you know, just kind of the free chat room. Obviously, here, reviews tab, pretty self explanatory. Really cool thing, guys, in the group. And again, we're constantly adding things to bring more value to our members here. But you get the spy bot. So, this is letting continuously if the spy is bearish, bullish. It's really cool, and there's multiple different time frames. The 5, 15, and we can add time frames too. But most of us are trading on the 5-minute chart, guys. So this is really a cool tool to have, and a lot of people forget that we have this tool. Okay, so something to note. And obviously you can set notifications up so you can get this ringing on your phone, so you don't have to be logged into the Discord to receive these notifications. You're going to get the SPX 500 bot. Again, moves the same as SPY, just this is a bigger, obviously worth more, moves more. But SPY, SPX, the E-mini, they all move together. So you're going to get the VIX bot, guys. And remember, the VIX is the inverse of SPY. So this is going to tell you if the VIX is bearish or bullish in the 5-minute. Obviously, if the VIX is bullish on the 5-minute, that's going to indicate that SPY is probably going to go down, right? Important to remember that. If the VIX is bearish, SPY is probably going to move up. Typically, they're inverse to each other, but that's up to, traders to identify that, to put those charts next to each other every day and identify that. So a lot of cool tools here, guys. And then the dollar, the DXY, interesting. I don't have the permission to view that message. It's probably just not running right now. Again, there's a lot of things under construction right now because things are being added, but the DXY is just the US dollar. But again, it's come down so far that the dollar hasn't really been inverse or doing anything with the stocks. Typically, if the dollar rises, stocks are going to drop. But again, once something drops so much, the VIX is kind of taken over at this point in time in the market, that inverse property. So then right here, you're going to get news, guys. If you're somebody who's not on the internet all the time, you're going to get your CPI data news here. Scalping every day, you need to be aware of news like Feds, FOMC meetings and things like that, because obviously we know, news can have a huge role moving the market. You can have candles drop very significantly or go up very significantly with some news. And if you don't know the news is coming, it can really hurt you if you're in a position. So it's always good to be aware of what's happening, just so you don't end up getting in a position you don't want to be in. So nice tab here to have. Check it every day. Just make sure, that there's no news coming out that you're not aware of, right? You want to know the time frames. And make sure you're in a safe situation. Then right here, guys, this is just a few people who are interested in futures, Gundy Space. This is one of those where you're invite only. If you're interested in it, you can DM us, and we'll get you in there. But it's more focusing on, that's the MES, so getting into micro contracts in the futures. And again, we're going to be adding more tabs here. So right now, down here, the voice channel, this is kind of where everybody goes during the day. If you're trading during the day or even at night with futures, people jump in here too. Anybody can speak, guys. Anybody can talk in this. We are going to be adding another channel where only certain people in this group, TA readers and stuff, can speak. That way there obviously, 70 people aren't talking over each other. It'll be a place where you can kind of just go in there and listen. But we'll always have this voice channel here so people can all come together and talk. This is where we all hang out every day, talk about stuff, which is really awesome because if you're planning on getting into a position, we can talk it over as a group because remember, you know, 50 minds are always going to be better than just one, okay? It's just a really cool thing to have. So, that being said, guys, that's the Discord. If you did just join in your 10-day free trial, it's great to have you here. If you've been a part of it, I hope you're enjoying it and making a ton of money, guys. It's absolutely incredible how quick we're growing right now and how many people are coming in and winning every single day. So that's the group, guys. Really awesome. I feel like it's really robust and easy to use, okay? Um, and that's it, guys. New things are going to be added, and we'll do videos on those new portions of the Discord that are added eventually. But right now, this is it, guys. And I hope this video brought some value to you and kind of showed you how to navigate the group. Appreciate you guys and have a great day. Best Bet Trades appreciates you, and we'll see you soon.